Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Honda's hoping that the third time's the charm for its Insight. After 2 largely unsuccessful generations, the Insight Hybrid has returned. Now a 5-door sedan with grown-up Accord-inspired looks and a new 2-motor hybrid system, the 2019 Insight is the de facto replacement for Honda's Civic Hybrid. Bowing at next week's Detroit Auto Show, Honda isn't offering many details so far, but pledges combined EPA fuel economy estimates of 50 plus mpg along with class-leading passenger space. Prius and Ioniq, watch your backs. Also at Detroit, Ford's Edge crossover is getting a heavy mid-cycle refresh for 2019, and leading the way is this new ST model. This is the first time the badge is being slapped on an SUV. ST is usually reserved for Ford's most fun-to-drive offerings, so here's hoping the blue oval delivers. The Edge ST will be powered by the same 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 as found in the Fusion Sport, tuned here to deliver 335 horses and 380 pound-feet of torque. Bigger brakes, firmer suspension, and a sport mode featuring rev-match downshifts are included, as are unique exterior aesthetics and more heavily bolstered seats. And speaking of Ford, rumor has it that the company also plans to unveil a bullet version of its 2018 Mustang at Detroit. Named for the 1968 movie starring Steve McQueen driving a certain Highland Green fastback, Ford has offered several Bullet homage cars before, including in 2001, 2008, and 2009. The new one will undoubtedly feature a similar paint and classic 5-spoke wheels wearing polished lips, but as far as performance upgrades go, we'll have to wait and see. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.